Portuguese national Gilberto is set to be deported from his home in Leeds after serving 2 prison sentences and receiving 15 court convictions for crimes including theft, offences against the person and breach of harassment orders. But despite breaking the law multiple times, Gilberto is demanding to stay in the UK. The dad of 2 fears his life will be taken by a gang in his home of Madeira upon his return, after he fled to Britain in 2004 after being shot by an armed robber who told Gilberto he would kill him if he reported him to the police.
I'm thinking of the mistakes I did a long time ago, each day of my life, and I'm really sorry about that, okay? But everybody does mistakes, nobody's perfect, but I realize till now all that the big mistakes I've been doing, but I want to stay here, I want to remain here and see my kids grow up and go back to work again, rebuild my life again. It's not happen again. I realize what I've been doing that time. It's not happen again. I belong to Armley. This is home. This is home where I live in here. Most of the time I just thinking to ending my life. It's no way to keep living like this. They just feel like subhuman, honestly. This don't have a name. There's no way to live like this in these conditions.
Gilberto's lawyer believes he has been treated particularly unfairly by the Home Office and fears for the future of other immigrants like him who break the law if the Human Rights Act is amended.
The Home Office are inhumane how they leave people in this situation, and I do this for a job. There's no way in the world he's on his own in this. He feels like he's on his own in it, but he's not. It's so common. So many of my clients are left with nowhere to return and nowhere to support themselves, which is just the most inhumane situation you could ever find yourself in, I think. The easier the Home Office and Priti Patel make it to deport people, the harder it is for my job. So, over the years, when Theresa May came in, she reformed immigration law massively. And it became harder and harder. Legal aid got taken away from a lot of cases. Legal aid got dramatically reduced for the cases that were there under legal aid. So that makes it, solicitors, the profit making, aren't they? In general, they're only going to take on cases and help people if there's a profit in it for them, which means the cases where the legal aid is £100 fixed fee, solicitors don't want to take. So the easier it makes them, the harder it is for a solicitor to represent.
Gilberto's appeals under the Human Rights Act to stay in the UK have been rejected, and now he waits for deportation back to Portugal. Anna Riley for GB News.